In this video, I'm going to explain the hands-on challenge and show you how to set up your Trailhead Playground for the Control Access to Records unit, which is part of the Data Security Badge. When you're finished with this video, you'll be able to pass this unit with confidence. My name is Jeff Alhadeff. More about me in the description below. Let's get started. Okay, in this hands-on challenge, your company needs a custom object for tracking projects. Project records should be visible only to the owner of the record and to users above the owner in the role hierarchy. Right? The assumption is that the higher up you are, the more information, the more responsibility you can have, the more information you can know. Create the project custom object, okay? Then create an organization-wide default sharing setting for that project object for this use case. Your future employer, I would be very surprised if they would ever tell you to do this. But they will tell you that, hey, we want a way to track projects, but we only want some people to be able to see it. Gotcha. That you can do. Challenge, create a custom object. The project label is projects, plural is projects, object name projects, record name project, record data type text. That's all pretty straightforward, right? Right, I mean, you're creating a project. You're creating a custom object. That's, straightforward. Data type text. You know how to do that. Now, configure organization-wide default sharing settings for the project object so the project records are visible only to the record owner and to users above them in the role hierarchy. This was wonky for me, personally, to do because you had to dig up where you find organization-wide sharing defaults, and it's in sharing settings. You go to setup and type in sharing settings, then you get organization-wide sharing defaults, and then here you're going to come down to the project object that you made, and you're going to list it as private, grant access using hierarchies. Yeah, we've then selected grant access using hierarchies, and then at this point, that's all you need to do, and you're good to be able to just make sure I did it right. See if we get some more confetti. Again, you won't get confetti every time. I've already completed this. I'm just retaking it. So every time it's like, whoa, Jeff, way to go. You passed this unit and this badge again. Okay, yeah, here we go.